Welcome to Today on the Green.
What is Today on the Green?
Today on the Green is what happens when we finally realize what we want to do for the rest of the show.
Sounds good. So basically, if something happens on school property, we're going to report about it.
We're like the gossip section of your local newspaper, except we report facts.
Straight facts. Alright, so you'll probably see us cover stuff with rallies, interviewing students, sports games, all of the above.
Who, what, when, where, why, and even how we report today.
What happened today on the Green?
We started the show. Today on the Green.
Came up with the name. Alright, so stop by here tomorrow so you can see what happens today on the Green.
Say it with more energy.
Alright, so stop by tomorrow to see what happens today on the Green tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.